pre-earnings, you had a neutral recommendation, Zscaler, a $210 price target. How much conviction or otherwise do you have after you've seen the numbers?
Sharif, short term, I would actually upgrade the stock to a #1 rank because they're going to add 20 cents a share in earnings for this quarter, which is a really strong beat. It's going to give them a nice upgrade on their short term 1 to 3 month outlook. But as Bertha really laid out well, they did not impress anybody with their forward outlook. So long term, 12-month out stock looking, I look at a neutral rating. I think you got to stay with it. And the issue with Zscaler right now is they have just loaded into this zero trust architecture through M&A all the way from 2020 to 2023, then announced it. Then they got stumbled into the AI generative revolution. They bought another 2 Israeli companies, and now they've got all of this extra spending that they have to book, and they have to do it in these cycles of innovations that are kind of sped up more than they slowed down. That's really the issue here for them. So you got to wonder if the stock is going to get over that $200 threshold. It's tried a couple times this year, Serene. It hasn't succeeded very well.
So was this classic overreach? And like all the hyperscalers and the AI names and seemingly everybody in the ecosystem, were expectations simply set too high?
I think that's fair. I think, I looked at the U.S. BLS job growth for internet security, and it's about 30% annualized. So they are basically delivering on the standard BLS, U.S. BLS job growth. So there was really no outperformance by them as a business. This zero threat zero trust architecture they announced a year ago. Now they got to redo it. Even only 12 months into announcing it, they're having to redo it. So again, you have to ask yourself if the criminals out there are moving faster than the defenders of these internet environments. And that's kind of at the heart of this, is that it seems like the evolutions pick up and the CapEx picks up in trying to defeat these initiatives.